Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can start a new message or conversation with your team members on Slack really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to Slack and access the workspace you would like to work with here in the top left corner. And here below your workspace name, you will see a list of all associated channels as well as all chats you have had with your team members so far, as well as the Slack bot here. So guys, there are basically two different ways. You can, for example, continue or start a conversation or a chat with one of your team members by simply left clicking on it. That is going to redirect you to that chat history here. So simply use the text box here at the bottom and type in your message, like for example, hey bro, something like that, press enter. So that's one way how you can send a message to your team members. The other option would be to start a completely new message. If you do that, for example, with multiple team members, to do that, simply hover your mouse over direct messages here. And here to the right, you will see a plus icon. Click on it, or alternately, use the shortcut Ctrl-N to start a direct message, a fresh and new one. And here at the top, you will see that list or that tab 2. So select your team member, or for example, the Slack bot or the channel you would like to address with your message. You can also use several or multiple members or multiple channels to send your message to all of them at once. So let me go, for example, with the Slack bot and add also that user here to that group chat just for demonstration purposes. And that's basically it. Repeat the same process by typing in your message here at the bottom into the text box. And as you can see, the message will then be sent to all of these team members or recipients you tagged here at the top. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we start a new message on Slack. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.